This lecture we will going to talk about the role of creativity in design thinking. Whenever we are talking about the design thinking, creativity is very important because it comes into the mind of people that creativity means that we are talking with respect to the graphic designer or a marketer. But when we are talking about the creativity, we are talking about the creativity with the innovation. That means we are talking about two words, creativity and innovation are important across all industries because challenges require inventive solution. So when we are talking about the creativities, so the four benefits of creativities that are useful in the design thinking are that first it encourages the innovation. When we are talking about the encouragement of a innovation means that something to be innovative, there are two requirements. First is that it must be novel and useful, while creativity is a crucial to generate idea that are both unique and original. They are not always inherent useful. Means that what idea, what innovation you have done may not be always useful. Maybe the people will not going to use your innovation. So innovation solution can't exist, however, without the component of a creativity. Until unless you will not going to bring the creativity in your innovation will not going to exist. The second point which we are talking about is the boost productivity. That means we are talking about that creativity gives you the space to work smarter instead of a hard work, which can increase the productivity and combat stagnation in the workplace. That means you can manage your time, you can complete, if you are more creative, you can complete your work in a few minutes or hours than sitting for the whole day. Therefore, the companies are looking for the design thinking approach people who are creative and who can boost the productivities because we have to develop the solution or we have to develop the product in a limited time. Should not be like this. I want to improve my product and I will going to increase the cost. So when we are talking about the creative and innovative environment, we establish that environment, then definitely the productivities of a business will going to uplift. Third, we are talking about the it allows for the adaptability, and this is one of the important reason that why the design thinking is playing a crucial role in creativity. We can take an example of a COVID-19 pandemics as there was a dramatically change how the present day business world function because everything was in the lockdown. In such instance, what we can say that imaginative thinking and innovations are critical to maintain the business operation, and you have seen that with the help of that creative learning skills the people have managed to sold the product online. They were able to send these product, the product was able to reach to the people. Finally, we are talking about the fourth point is the foster growth, because we know that if we do not apply the cognitive learning skills or design thinking skills into our firm or in our business, then the growth of this company will going to cease or it will go to lower down, because we have to see that what is the innovations, what is the creativity in the product which we can develop, and definitely it will going to improve the growth of the or the we can say the productivity of the entire business. Hence we can say that these things are the in demand skills. In next lecture we will going to talk about the top skills that are being required by the companies.